When I seen her drop the shit, I'm like, yeah, this shit a hit. Play it while I'm serving lanes. Hoes say, yeah, you really lit. Damn. You know they on my.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dre Mula. I'm back with another video, man. And if you can guess by the title, my brother did just buy a new toy. So I'm shooting this video a couple days later. If you don't know what the car is by the title, then just watch the video. This is gonna tell you what it is. But yeah, anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and tune in. Also, I wanted to share with y'all this you know, him picking up this car, getting this addition to our convoy is just like a big deal, because it helped us get a head start on what we want to take over next year. So like the game plan next year is to really, like, you know, be them ones, you know, take over, you know, like in a positive way, always promoting positivity, being safe with whatever we do, and promoting positivity. Like, you ain't got to go down the wrong path to get this. Like, everything we doing, we work hard for. It's the legit way. So that, and just knowing, like, you know, we always there for each other. So like, comment, subscribe, go to his page, Dirty Daytona on Instagram, I think New Whip, so I am Newski on YouTube. But it's all over my page anyway, along with the rest of the people that I'll be with. I'm shooting this video, like I said, days later. Right now it's October 19th, Sweetie's Day. We picked the cob like 2-3 days ago, so this video kind of coming late. This intro getting re-shot, however you want to see it. But yeah, we got an event going on tomorrow, October 20th, Sunday, 3 p.m. I posted all over my page. We're giving out costumes and candy for the kids, so if you see it, then that's going to be another vlog that y'all going to have to see. I'm going to try to drop that as soon as possible as well. I got some more videos coming out, man, consistent, staying consistent. But yeah, like all the guys going to be out, so make sure y'all show love to their pages or whatever, and let's just keep grinding, man. The day we picked his car up, we was in his truck. I'm back in my Jeep now. I also got some things that I've done to my Jeep so far, if you haven't seen it already. But I'm not doing this. Is why I didn't show y'all nothing. Well, I could be showing y'all like I wanted to, showing y'all the journey. But what I did so far, I didn't want to show y'all because it kind of, sort of, like, yeah. We'll tap into that later. But watch the whole video, like, comment, subscribe, share it. And like I said, go show that love. And we winning, man. Let's get it.
background. He looks like he want to slide in the middle of the intersection right now, knowing him. Chop.
bitch wet. It's a big boy. So I'm inside of here, man. Look, my boy, Interior A1. He got the red suede headliner, red and black seats, of course. It almost looks like it's manual. It's automatic though. But this bitch A1. I'm gonna give y'all a tell head again when he started driving, when he started up or whatever.
I ain't gonna lie for
How you feeling?
That's some dumb shit I just did, man. I get out the car, right? I'm so used to the Jeep and shit. I get out the car, instantly get to looking for the keys and shit. I'm damn, I just lost the keys already, folks. I gotta get back used to this shit, gang. Like, I'm spoiled, bro. I'm spoiled. Shit, I'm geeked though.
He smell, he takes like
this bitch doing it, folks.
Yeah, nah. We got motherfuckers in the gas station, like, that's loud, bro.
It did good, 3/4.
Oh, yeah.
So it's probably like 65 to fill up.
I want to get his reaction. This one way for this way.
What the fuck is this currency exchange at?
But I'll call it.
Is this 48th? You on 49th?
Unless that's him right now. I just seen a nigga in the street. I mean, a person in the street.
Let's see a person in the street. I don't see nobody in the street. That was just $10 of gas with that kid. Princeton lame, all these speed bumps.
You know, 40.
He done did everything.
Give me a rev. Give me a rev. Give me a rev. Snapping, bro. Y'all see Kodak intake. This tune. Just ready to rumble, man. Y'all see my boy Cam with the Google Rango. Big Rango. We on that. We finna snap, bro. Y'all ain't heard of us, bro. Look. Let me see what it is. You see the window? Congratulations to my brother, man. Y'all spamming in the comments. He did his biggest one. Subscribe to my boy YTO Cam. Y'all already know my channel, man. We taking over, bro. Like, for real, bro. For real, bro. For real. Nice little walk around. Nice little walk around. One of the hardest Z8s out here now, and he ain't even done. It might look like it's done because of how he got it, but it ain't even done, bro. Y'all tell him congratulations, visit this page. I am Lucy. We taking over, bro. Tune in, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, share this, share it, share it, share it. Oh, I'm coming to see you. I need them views to go up. Need them likes to go up. Need them comment sections to blow up. Yeah, because if you tuning in late, shit, 2025, you gonna have a lot to catch up. We starting from the scratch. We starting from the bottom. Jeeps, Rangos, LS's, it don't matter what it is. Them motherfuckers, we got them. They out here, they modded, they ready. We might not be racing them. Some of these, this one can get raced, but
Yeah, they looking sexy. They ready to ride. Ready to take over. That's all I gotta say on that. This video kind of short, but I'm gonna tune in on his channel for any updates that he got, any mods that he doing. Also post on Instagram, his stuff, Dirty Daytona on Instagram. And then you got me, of course, Dre Mula everywhere. You see it? Hold on. Y'all see it. I need that pull off. Dre Mula. TNG shit, man. Y'all know the